Why do birds stretch? Stretching relieves tension. It refreshes the muscles. It keeps the muscles supple. It realigns the feathers. It improves circulation. It relaxes the bird and instills contentment. It dries the wings. Prepares the wings for flight. Now the different types of stretching, where they stretch the wing and leg at the same time. The three-banded plover stretching the right leg and wing. This Cape eagle owl stretching its left leg and wing. And a little grebe. Grey plover stretching its left leg and wing at the same time. Lesser flamingo. Cape sparrow. Cape rock thrush. And a spotted eagle owl chick stretching the leg and wing on the same side. And the sooty falcon stretched its leg and wing on one side and then the leg and wing on the other side. Cape glossy starling and a little sparrowhawk juvenile. Wings stretching. This glossy ibis is stretching both wings while it's foraging. White-throated bee-eater stretching both wings and then its leg and wing on the left side. Barn swallow. Same with this Narina trogon, stretching both wings and then the tail and the wing and probably the leg on the left side. Southern black coran. Pale-winged starling stretching a leg and a foot and then both wings. African hoopoe, and then just leg stretching. This common moorhen stretches the right leg and soon after the left leg. Fulvous whistling duck. Another type of stretching is jaw stretching, which looks like yawning. The kelp gull is stretching its jaw. Speckled mouse bird. Western cattle egret. And these hardy daws having a bath and also a jaw stretch. Owls appear to yawn a lot before regurgitating a pellet. Pellets are made up of undigested bones, fur and feathers from their prey. So it isn't actually yawning, but it's an attempt to regurgitate the pellet.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.